What is up, YouTubers? Today we are out at Bussy Lake. We are out here in the evening, arriving about 2:30. We plan to fish maybe a couple hours, maybe into the evening, depending on how the bite goes. But our main goal is to just frog it out. We're gonna ball out with our frogs out. Today I'm using this Booyah Pop and Pad Crash. Ideally, that's the only thing I will use as long as we don't have any hiccups as far as getting snagged or anything like that. Here at Bussy Lake, we are fishing a little bay right here. As you see, we have recreational kayakers. That's a normal thing here at Bussy. But yeah, we are only going with the frog. Let's get it started. If you guys haven't subscribed, be sure to, because we have some solid action coming at you. Let's get this party started. There's something that chased something right there for sure. Something that chased something for sure. There he is.
Yeah, baby, that's what's up. Yeah. Nice job, bud. Nice job, George. There you go. There you go.
How pretty was that, dude? Hell yeah.
Oh, man. That was nice.
Dude, did you see that bayfish jump in the air?
Yeah, that was nice. Man.
That was something right there. Bam.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so
man.
beautiful, dude. So fast, though. It happened so fast.
Yeah. You see his bottom. Yeah. Nice job, brother. Nice catch, George. That was really nice.
Yeah, that came out of nowhere, man.
Yeah, but that was nice, though.
Well, it did, yeah. But
Yeah, that was nice, man.
yes, sir. Nice, nice.
Oh, yeah, he's nice.
Beautiful bass, dude. Look at that. Textbook.
He's fat. Nice shot, dude. Oh, yeah, he's fat. Sweet. I'm gonna try this other little side right now. Yeah, that's nice.
We worked him. We worked him. Thank you, sir. Got him on that black and blue frog. There we are. Another Bussy Woods largemouth bass. Beautiful largemouth bass. I don't know if you can see that little black and yellow coloration right there on his fin. It's quite common. Beautiful fish. Alright, we're going to turn that froggy around. Let's go. Complete identical, dude. Oh, I thought that was a fish.
Yeah.
Bro, you see how stealthy that was? Like no splash. I mean, isn't that nuts?
Oh, he wanted that. Look
So beautiful, man.
Nice job.
Oh.
Nice job, man.
Guys, we are having the time out here. I mean, can it get any better? Juneteenth, right? Juneteenth, guys. Look at that. Beautiful Bussy Woods black and blue frog. Booyah, baby! Booyah! That's what this lure is called. It's from the Booyah brand company. That's a Booyah Poppin' Pad Crasher. And that's a largemouth bass. Here we go for the release. We're gonna start. This wind has been pushing them. I think when it shifted, it pushed a lot of bait over here that got stuck in these weeds, dude. And I think right now there's bass lined up on the other side. At least that's in my mind, like sharks. And they're facing us and they're attacking all these baits that got stuck in these weeds trying to flee. Woo! Let's go. You need to tighten your drag, brother. Tighten your drag, brother. Keep them tight. Keep them. Yeah, you got them. You got them. Dude, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, Shane. Oh, that's a nice fish, Shane. Look at that toad on the frog. You got him, bro. You got him. You got him. Oh, dude, and is this your real thing? Because if not, you got a new real thing.
No, it's mine. I spit them off.
Woo! Look at that frog and bass, bro.
It's legit at Bussy, baby. Woo! First topwater frog bite, and it is very exciting. I gotta admit, it's gotta be one of the most exciting.
Look at the spots on this cow.
To catch. Look at that. Look at all that in his mouth.
Dude.
Wow.
We're not even moving. We're in one spot, just hitting them, bro. Just hitting them in one spot here at
I'm like
Bussy
a
Woods.
little kid on Christmas morning.
I heard that splash. I didn't get the whole hookup, guys, but I heard that splash and I got what I could. Look at that.
This out. Let's find that hook. Oh yeah.
Woo!
You wanted that. Look at that.
Yeah, boy.
Wow. I don't even know if I can get this. Wow. Holy smokes. Oh, here we go. Okay. Get that one out that way.
Both hooks are in this fish. Both hooks. Look at that. Wow, he wanted this frog.
Wow. Oh man, it's a strong fish, man.
I got you on all the screenshots.
He's biting my thumb. He's biting my thumb.
Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Guys, I promise you that there's a fish in here. I promise you. You wouldn't believe it. But there. There he is. Woo! Wow, look how fat he is. Dude, they're stacking up. Like I said, that wind shifted. It pushed the minnows here, bro. And they're just stacking up right now, chasing the minnows this way. They ambushed the minnows between us and these weeds, bro. Woo! Dude, look what I pulled in. Look what I pulled in. This one wasn't even a huge, you know, thump. Literally just a slurp. I saw a swirl behind the frog. I stopped my frog, dude. And then all of a sudden you just saw my frog just slowly disappear. Woo. Here we are. Bussy frogging. Bussy shore frogging. With booyah frogs, baby.
Same spot, just straight. In here somewhere, guys. I promise you. Whew. All in this muck somewhere.
Beautiful, dude. I got the whole hook set on film because I was anticipating
Look at this cabbage here. You see this? You see what they're living in here? Isn't that amazing? You better have at least some 20-pound tests when you're throwing frogs in this weed, because you have to pull this, which weighs pretty good, not to mention your catch. But he wanted that. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, so I guess it's legit. They're biting the green chartreuse, and they're biting the dark black and blue one that George is throwing. So let's get back at them, guys. Going for the release here. Right through this.
There you go.
They just mop it over. Nice frog bite. Really wanted that. Right between the kisser. Pow.
Very nice fish.
Ooh, yeah. Nice.
All right, guys, and with that, that's gonna send us out today. Bussy Woods, frogging day, man. What a day.
Beautiful frog. They were all over this green chartreuse, whatever you want to call it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were loving it.
It doesn't really matter what frogs we threw color-wise. They just wanted the frog today. Great day. Be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon with another geofishing exclusive. Have a wonderful day.
All right, we're going for the release and call it a day. All right.
We are done, Beba.